Crazy as scene, bro. Finally. 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 Hey, there's a baby elephant on the right. There's a baby elephant right there, and I think that's the mother elephant. Now, we can't actually vlog as well because helmet mounts are banned in Kerala. So, we will have to figure out a way on how we can do this. So, hi all, this is Shoaib. Welcome to the Adventure Wheels. Today is going to be a new day, a new vlog, a new ride. So today we are heading over to Kannur, which is in Kerala. Not the Kannur in Ooty, but the Kannur in Kerala. So it's going to be me and Naveed today who's going to be going on this ride. So we actually planned of leaving at 5, but it's almost 5:39, and it's a bit difficult because I haven't had much sleep, because yesterday was Diwali and I was at my in-laws, and a lot of time spent there, and come back home, get everything ready. So I've got my top box, I've got all my clothes and everything adjusted in the top box itself, and I've carried everything else that is required. So we are good for now, and Naveed is actually going to be meeting me near which is that place near Indian Express, and I will need to fill up as well. Fill up my tank. So let me get that done, and then we can be on our way. So let's get this quickly fueled up, and then let's keep going. तो ट्रिप का पहला झटका पड़ गया, which is 1,000 rupees for the fuel. We've just got my bike fueled up. So now the meter looks nice. तो चलो निकलते हैं हमारी सवारी पे. Chalo, let's quickly meet up with Naveed, and let's continue our vlog from there. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I've reached Indian Express, and Naveed is still on his way. So he said he's near cantonment, and once he comes, then we will be on our way. So I'll keep you guys posted once he's here, and until then, let me take a quick break. So Naveed is here. Look at him, all prepped up with his saddlebags, his top box. Naveed, all set, to? Chalo. Yeah, first long ride together. Yeah. It will definitely. Chalo, Naveed is on the lead. Now, one stop, one destination, which is Kannur, Kerala. Kerala, here we come. Whoa, look at all the Karnataka flags, bro. Vidhan Sabha, I heard Vidhan Sabha was lit yesterday. My family had been there, but I was caught up with a few other things, so I could not come. But I'm guessing it was really nice. So look at all the flags. Okay, so we're just done with breakfast. We stopped at a restaurant which is Shri Shiva Darshana Shashi Tatte Idli Hotel. So apparently you get the best tatte idli here with butter on the idlis. So you definitely need to try this out. Yeah, in case if you are here, on this way, please make sure that you check this place out in case if you're dropping here for breakfast. And I'm pretty sure you would not be disappointed. So let's head back on our way. We've just entered Bidadi, and now we are on our way back. Now we are 5 hours 19 minutes away, which is about 237 kilometers, and the estimated time that we would reach is about 2 p.m. But let's try to make it a bit quicker. Let's try to see if we can reach early than the anticipated time. Let's go. What's up, bro? Yen bro? YouTube ನಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಅಡ್ವೆಂಚರ್ ವೀಲ್ಸ್. Naveed, let's stop for a coffee, please. My bum's hurting. My bum is bumming. Welcome to Brindavan Garden, which is about 18 kilometers. Bro, let's visit KRS Dam, go for a swim and then head back on the way. Okay, we'll stop there for a coffee. So this is the birthplace of the biggest scam in India right now, which is Adivasi hair oil. So as you can see, these are the shops. So I don't know, it's recently turned out to be a scam. Wherein, I mean, there might have been real hacky-picky tribe people who made this oil and tried to sell it, but people turned it into a really big scam. And this came out recently. I think it was all over social media that these guys are spending bomb to get their marketing done. So there you go. That's Adivasi hair oil for you. Okay, so when we decided that we would be going to Kannur, then Naveed has a friend called Sajan who stays in Kannur. Apparently, Naveed had been on a few rides with Sajan. So we tried to ask him if he knew a few places where we could book hotels. And apparently, he had the best option for us, which was a beachside, not a resort, but more like a beachside accommodation, which is actually good. So he helped us getting that booked for us, and at the same time, since his home is on the way, we will be visiting him first, and then we will be heading over to our stay. To this place, I remember my friend called Mansoor, because we are in Hunsur. What say, guys? So we've stopped for a quick juice break because again we were completely dehydrated. So let me show you where we are. So this is the Adivasi hair oil store. And that's the way, I mean, you take that road and you directly go to Coorg, and this way you go to Virajpet, and that's the tea stall, and that's Naveed. He's camera shy, bro. He's gonna be okay in a few more days. That's his bike, that's my bike. So let's be on our way once we are done with tea, and you can watch the rest of the video in the vlog. Chalo, see you guys in a bit. So we're done the juice break, and now it's time to head back on our way. So it shows 3 hours and 10 minutes more to reach our destination, which is Sajan's house. So let's be on our way. It's about 118 kilometers more, and Bismillah, let's start. So we are on Thalassery Mysore Road, and let's try to be there as soon as we can. I know we are taking a lot of breaks, but it's only because we haven't had good sleep. So we don't want to be in a position where we feel completely sleepy and things go wrong. So it's better, I mean, reach late but be safe. That's the motto. And also we've changed our batteries. I mean, my battery was a little low, so I thought it's better than taking another stop just to change the batteries right now. And at the same time, I've put on my ND filter, ND16, so hopefully the video comes out well. I'm hoping for that. And just look at the road. This is the only reason bikers love riding, because you get to experience views like these. No, particularly me, if you ask me, I love scenic routes where you have a road and you have trees alongside the roads, and then the branches of the trees covers the road and provides shade. So at a point, every road was like this, but due to modernization, I mean, trees were cut, so deforestation happened. That's where we are at now. So let's go. We're heading back now. Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. So yeah guys, so we are entering the Nagarhole Tiger Reserve now. So from here it's almost about 101 kilometer, which shows about 2 hours and 48 minutes for us to reach. So it's always been the same story. I mean, any reserve you go, you don't actually get to see any exciting stuff. But at least today, God, please send a tiger our way. Send him right before my bike so that I can capture that moment. Or send him flying through there so that I can take a glimpse of a tiger. Please, God, please. So the most common animals are like deers, reindeers, and monkeys. Oh no, not reindeers. What is that? Samba. Yeah, samba, not reindeers. And that's about it. I mean, that's what I've seen up until now. And wild bulls. I've seen wild bulls, and I've seen peacocks as well, but nothing exciting. So let's see. Let's hope. Let's pray. Let's wish. Oh, nice. Crazy as scene, bro. Finally. 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 Hey, there's a baby elephant on the right. There's a baby elephant right there, and I think that's the mother elephant. So let's see. Let's go. Baby elephant, finally. 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 Woo. Something exciting. Thank you, God. Thank you so much. If oh yes, I'm recording, bro. Thank God again. So not a tiger, but at least we could spot an elephant and a baby elephant. Okay, so we've got stuck in a bit of traffic, and now Sergeant's Place is almost about 80 kilometers from here, and Virajpet is almost about 95 kilometers, so that's an additional 15 kilometers that we will need to cover once we reach Sergeant's Place. And Once we reach Sergeant's Place, I mean, we will consider the location of the hotel directly, so that we directly reach the hotel and not the city of Kannur. So let's see how long the distance from Sergeant's place will be. I'll keep you guys posted, and let's be on our way. Chalo. It brings so many memories back, bro. This was the exact spot which I've used as an intro in my vlog, previous vlog. Yeah. Bangalore to Coorg. Yeah, not exactly sure which river or through which dam this is flowing in. So yeah, actually these are two rivers. One's coming in from here and the other one's coming in from there. Merging of two rivers, but I don't think this is Sangam. This is Kerala and Karnataka Gangam. Checkpost. Kerala, we reached. Excise checkpost Kottupuza. We are in Kottupuza. Finally, we are officially in Kerala. Yeda mone. Straight. So this is us completely drained because obviously we haven't had sleep, and that's Naveed. We just had lunch and we're just chilling here because it's too sunny, and we're thinking what to do next. Do we actually have to go meet Naveed's friend, or do we directly go to the hotel and get some rest? So let's see. I'll keep you guys posted. Now we can't actually vlog as well because helmet mounts are banned in Kerala, so we will have to figure out a way on how we can do this. So we're planning to get a chest mount. We actually had it, but we did not think of this before. So let's see if we can arrange a chest mount. We will use that going forward, or we have a different plan in mind. I will keep you guys posted when we actually do that. So this is where we are at. So we've reached the destination. Let me show you where we are at. I'm just trying to tiptoe walk on this trunk. Successfully done. Now you see the sand? Guess the location and guess how this looks. Wait for the reveal. So a private beach to ourselves. No one around. And that's where our hotel is. That's where our room is. Ain't this pretty? Just listen to the sound of the waves. Alright, so I will definitely give you the details of how we got to this location and what are the charges and how you can come down here. I will give you the complete details, but sadly I could not record the complete way on how we reached this location because, as you know, helmet mounts are not allowed in Kerala, and that was the only reason. But definitely I will give you the details on how you can get here, along with the links to this particular hotel and the prices and the contact numbers as well, in case if you'd want. Now let's go ahead and join along with Naveed to get a few drone shots, which will definitely be included in my video as well, and we'll take it further from there. So that's the drone. Here you go.